Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is the Intoxicating Spice wig from BelleTress in the color Cappuccino with Cherry. Let me talk about this color real quick. It's a really dark brown that has very subtle, really subtle. Let me zoom in on this to show you how subtle. Little hints of auburn in there. So they're not really like a highlight, it's just in there to make it a little bit more dynamic. But it's really subtle. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. It's a very dark color. This is a very dark color. So this particular wig has an 11.5 inch front. The nape is 15 inches and the back overall is about 22 inches from top to bottom. So yeah, it's pretty long. In fact, let me show you what this one looks like from all sides so you can see for yourself. This is a very long, heat-friendly synthetic wig. The fiber feels really nice on these BelleTress Cafe Collection wigs. It has a great feeling to it right out of the box. This wig does have a lace front, so I'll zoom in on that. Take a look at those knots. They're alright. They're really dense. We got a lot of them. And then this wig also has a monofilament top. So as you can see there, if I part it in really unflattering ways, it's still really nice looking. The overall weight on this wig is about 5 ounces. You can see that color a little bit better back here. It's very subtle. So here is, it has a lace front and a monofilament top, both of which are hand tied. There's a little bit of felt in between the monofilament top and the open back and sides. There is an extended felt nape, but there's no Velcro. It's adjustable like a bra strap in the back. And it has these closed lace ear tabs that also have a little bit of felt on them as well. I'm going to go ahead and put Intoxicating Spice back on now. And there you have it. This is the Intoxicating Spice wig from BelleTress in the color Cappuccino with Cherry. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you find them helpful while you're shopping for your next wig. And while you're at it, you should probably check out my wig store where we carry stuff like this. It's kind of awesome. You know how that works out. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, also known as CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great night.